What is going on? I didn't know there was an update. I came in, I see this monkey blocks. I didn't read all of it. Pause if you want to read, but like just explore it. This isn't making on the day comes up, but I'm doing private code. Shell blocks.
For the champions.
We got a little balloon boy. I see you. I see you. Okay. Wild West. I didn't need
Hey,
this.
come right here, bro. Can you show me? Hey, come right here, bro.
I'm gonna wait 20 days.
Show me, please, bro. I forgot how I did it. I had this like.
5,000 was that
Let's go,
26?
let's go.
Well, these are all cool, but we gotta explore another one. Monkey block.
I don't know how to do it.
What's that scream? I hear a scream. Yo, I did not see that. Nice Glitterstone. Comment with that if you want me to make more comments in my comment video.
Make these. I'm actually a Karen. Don't make these. No.
Oh, what is going on? The West? Oh, they added Wild West stuff. Oh, they added whoa. What is this? What is this? Hold on a minute. Okay, well, what happened if I put this right in the middle? This will. Now you go back up. Okay, well, I don't really know, but oh, you know you can slide. Is this a map? Hold on. Whee! Yo. See, they added that one kill, but I care about that. Let's come. You got them guns. Yeah, what you put in? Give me them. Wait a minute, no! Wait a minute, no! You're locked in there. No, please. Okay. Oh, so now we close it. The general store, I play Dead Wheels. Cole, you need Cole. We got them Cole. And we got a twin. To the twin. Whee! Okay, well, yeah. Sorry. But yeah. I can't make a long video. So sorry about that. But, like and subscribe. I'm gonna add like a few more seconds exploring that. I just gotta check one thing. Don't 2%. I can't see what's right there. Okay. I'm gonna charge it in. So I can make videos. It's fucking totally bad. Is there anything up here? No. But yeah. I don't really know how to control it, but let's see if I can. Let's do this. Jesus, sick. Oh, wait a minute. I see what they added. They added like maps. Six X H 866. Oh. Yo! They actually added my tower. Okay, you know what's changing it? Every day I'm gonna add something new to it. So if you want to explore it, this is the right video for you. Like and subscribe. I'm just gonna add cool stuff to it right now. Let's add it. That's it. We're gonna make a long video. Never mind. Okay, well, there it is. For today, we need some more climbing. Yeah, that's the first batch. We can add more. Oh my. Okay. Yo. Yeah. Okay, I was originally making to make chill, so I'm gonna add loot chill to make it at the top right now. So first we need a this. Then we need blocks like this under. So make it more realistic. Now I just need no. Okay, oh, this is the only thing I have. Let's add that. Once you enter there, can we boost it? But yeah, this is a really sick update, but I didn't even know it was out. I guess I was just lucky because it was first day. I'm slime. It's him. Anyways, we gotta start building. Take that, take that. Minecraft or building town was crazy. And this is the best I could do, sorry guys. Let's add this. I'm pretty sure you started from right there, so I'm gonna make a smiley face. I don't know how, but yeah. Okay, now let's go explore. This is crazy how they added this. Okay, well, that is for today's video. Just a note, you know I made that video? Oh, playing with Blue Flame, it is me. He has a channel. You can't set it up in Blue Flame. Like how you gotta set up Hudson Half Trauma. You know Monster Flame. It's like for that. So once you get that, once you at least try finding him, like I'm subscribed to him, so I can check it out. So, but he won't be posting. I'll get latest news when he's posting. And back to another one for the news. News is he's grounded. So sorry if you didn't like this, but don't you forget it. And I'm gonna copyright. I'm sorry. I like this. I like this. I